Guys, today I have prepared a video for you that you have not watched before, YouTube channel Da Fook Boom. It is one of the most popular YouTube channels, which has attracted more than 42 million subscribers. This channel is quickly gaining popularity due to its unique and attractive content, and each video it uploads receives approximately 30 million views within 24 hours. In this video, I want to teach you how to create a YouTube channel and prepare this type of millions of videos for yourself and earn a few $1,000s a month. Please like and support the video so that I can prepare the best training for you. Well, the salient features of the channel. High views. This channel's videos typically receive millions of views within 24 hours, which shows the appeal and high quality of its content. Viral short videos. The short videos, shorts of this channel, are also very popular, and some of them have received up to 400 million views. Diverse content. Da Fook channel, boom. It covers a wide range of topics and content, including humor, memes, creative videos, and even challenges. Reasons for success. Production of interesting and funny content. One of the main reasons for the success of this channel is the production of funny content that quickly attracts the attention of users. Professional editing. Use advanced editing techniques and engaging visual effects that keep audiences entertained. Audience engagement. Da Fook channel, boom. It cares about interacting with its audience and paying attention to their opinions and suggestions, which helps to increase audience satisfaction and attract more of them. Important things. Regular video uploading. One of the success strategies of this channel is to regularly upload videos and maintain continuity in content production. Use of social networks. Smart use of different social networks to promote videos and attract more audience. Channel Da Fook Boom. By combining creative content, professional editing, and interaction with the audience, it has been able to find a special place in the world of YouTube and become one of the most visited and popular channels. If you're looking for inspiration and learning from one of YouTube's most successful channels, Da Fook Boom, it can be a great resource for you. These videos are made with the Source Filmmaker program. If you want more information about the next videos, please comment. Now let's go to our today's training. Source Filmmaker, SFM, is one of the powerful and popular tools for creating animations and short videos developed by Valve. The program was first used by Valve in 2012 as an internal tool for making game trailers and short animations, and then made available to the public for free. Due to its unique capabilities and facilities, SFM has been able to find a special place among those interested in creating animations and creative videos. History and development. Valve, the famous company that produced popular games such as Half-Life, Portal, and Team Fortress, developed Source Filmmaker as a tool for making trailers for their games. The main purpose of creating this tool was to create an easy and efficient user environment for creating high-quality videos. Using the Source game engine, SFM allows users to use game resources and models to create their own animations. Features and capabilities. Source Filmmaker has many features and capabilities that make it a powerful and versatile tool for creating animations. Some of these features include using the Source engine. SFM allows users to use the Source game engine to create their own animations. This engine has many features including realistic physics, dynamic lighting, and sophisticated visual effects. Editing timeline. SFM has an advanced editing timeline that allows users to easily edit and combine different scenes. 3D model support. Users can use 3D models from Valve games or their own custom models to create animations. Animation tools. SFM has advanced animation tools that include features such as camera movement control, character animation, and special effects. Sound and music support. Users can easily add their desired sounds and music to their videos and synchronize them with animations. Applications and successful examples. Source Filmmaker has been used by various artists and animators over the years to create many different types of videos and animations. Some of the applications of SFM are game trailers. Valve has used SFM to make trailers for their games. Using advanced SFM facilities, these trailers are attractive and of high quality and attract the attention of the audience. Short videos and humorous animations. Many animators use SFM to make short videos and humorous animations. These videos often become very popular due to their creativity and clever use of in-game models and resources. Tutorial videos. Some users use SFM to create tutorial videos and visual guides. Due to the visual and animation capabilities of SFM, these videos can present complex concepts in an attractive and understandable way. Community of users and educational resources. Source Filmmaker has a large and active community of users who share their experiences and educational resources. Through websites, forums, and YouTube channels, this community helps new users quickly learn the tool and improve their skills. Some popular educational resources for SFM include SFM official website. Source Filmmaker's official website has comprehensive documentation and video tutorials that help users learn step-by-step the features and capabilities of this tool. YouTube channels. There are many YouTube channels dedicated to SFM training, covering everything from beginner to advanced training. These channels help users improve their SFM animation skills by providing practical examples and application tips. Online forums and communities. Online forums and communities, such as Reddit and the Steam community, are good places for SFM users to ask questions and share experiences. In these places, you can benefit from the experiences of others and solve your problems with the help of the user community, professional tips and tricks. To take full advantage of Source Filmmaker and create professional animations, the following tips and tricks can be useful. Custom models and resources. If the models available in Valve games are not enough for your project, you can create your own custom models and import them into SFM. Using unique models can make your animations stand out. Use of proper lighting. Proper lighting is one of the key factors in creating attractive animations. SFM has many possibilities to adjust the lighting of scenes. By carefully adjusting the lights and shadows, you can create a realistic and attractive atmosphere. Use of special effects. Special effects such as explosions, smoke, and light effects can increase the visual appeal of your animations. SFM has a collection of special effects that you can use or create your own custom effects. Working with cameras, using dynamic camera movements and different angles can make your animations more alive and interesting. SFM features advanced camera control tools that allow you to easily create dynamic, cinematic scenes. Sound and image coordination. Sound and image coordination is very important in animations. By using SFM facilities, you can easily coordinate different sounds and music with your animations and create a more attractive experience for the audience. The future and development of Source Filmmaker. Source Filmmaker remains one of the most popular tools for creating animations and short videos, and its user community is growing rapidly. Valve also continues to improve and develop this tool and add new features to it. Due to its extensive capabilities and active user community, the future of SFM looks very bright, and we can expect it to remain one of the leading tools in the field of animation and short videos. Conclusion. With its extensive features and unique capabilities, Source Filmmaker is one of the best tools for creating animations and short videos. This program allows the creation of professional and high-quality animations by using the Source game engine and the advanced tools it provides to users. With an active user community and plenty of educational resources, learning and using SFM will be easy and enjoyable for anyone interested in animation. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video.